Today I find out that my burping has increased to feel like a pregnant woman or something like that. And I'm like, I don't feel like pregnant woman or somebody like a clergy energy or something like that. I can't even remember the spelling of that word now. I feel mumbled and feels like somebody's getting drunk. And the burping is so nasty. It's not the food I ate, it's something else. And I'm like, why am I burping these things? It's a man stuff or something. And it feels really unnatural. I'm like eating fruits. I'm eating like fruit candies and things like that. The burping sounds more like something else. And I'm like, this feels really unnatural. This is uncomfortable and unnatural. The farting sound is very loud, and I'm like, and the bones cannot hold, the muscles or bones cannot hold the muscles or the body mass. And I'm like, this is just too nasty for me to even go through. This is just nasty and nasty and nasty. And I'm like, this is very uncomfortable.